Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to make an external API request using Fireapis logic builder. We will go into logics and then we will create a logic here. You can see the logic has been created. Now we will try to add an action here. Yes, you can give your action type as API request. Now we will see the list of configuration that is available for making an API request. In this video, for example, we will take a mock API request where we will make an API request to get a single user using their ID. This ID part will be a dynamic. We will see how to make this as a dynamic here. Now we will give an API URL. We'll copy from here. Now we need to give this ID part as a dynamic one. For this purpose, you need to put 3 underscores front and back of the parameter. So now ID is the parameter which is going to be dynamically configured. You can see the URL parameter has been added automatically from this configuration where ID is given. Now we will see how to give the ID data source. For this purpose, we will give this plus symbol, and you can see the list of data source where this ID can take a value from it. For example, you can take the data from environment secrets or the token or payload, input payload. So first of all, we will save this configuration. Now we will go and add our sample input payload. I'm going to add a ID some value, then I'm going to hit the save button. Now if I go to my request action, you can give this plus symbol, and if you go to payload, now you can see the ID has been here. So what it will do is it will take automatically the ID value from the input payload while making this API request. Now we'll give this ID as a source and then we'll hit a save button. Now we have configured the API URL and then URL parameter which is going to be dynamic here. Now we will add an address as JSON type, where by default every API request will be coming with application/JSON. Now we will save this. Yeah, the configuration has been saved. Now we will test this whole function. Let's see, we're going to test, and then you can give your input using input JSON or in the format. I will prefer JSON here, and this JSON I'm going to give it as a dynamic ID 3, and then we'll test this data. Now we'll go into results. Yeah, you can see the result of this action where it has been giving the users with this ID 3, their first name, last name, and then along with this it will be having response address. Yeah, now we will give some other ID as an input here. We will give 2 as an input and then test it out. We can see different result for this 2. Let's see what is the value for this 2. Janet is the same data. So in this video we are seeing how to configure the API request where we will be giving the ID as a dynamic one for this example purpose. In the next video we will see how to give a post request, where to configure the body, how to configure it dynamically using the input payload, and also we will see how to take the data from the token itself. For example, if you are going to add a authentication configuration here, then automatically we will get the authentication token data here. This will be helpful when you make an API request for an user ID where authentication token can have user ID in it. If you have any question, leave your comment or contact us through our support chat. Thanks everyone for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.